Hi, I'm Jake, the DIY guy. Today I'm going to walk you through the Jasco Z-Wave in-wall smart dimmer quick start guide. In this quick start guide, we'll review the installation and the setup. But first things first, let's familiarize ourselves with the parts of the dimmer. The two black terminals are your load and your line terminals. The line terminal is your hot wire. That connects your switch to the power. The load wire connects your switch to the lighting. The silver terminal is for your neutral. That's where your neutral lines will be hooked in. That's normally a bundle of white wires in the back of your switch box. And the green terminal is for your ground wire, which is commonly bare copper wire in the switch location. Now the gold terminal covered with a piece of insulation tape, that is the traveler terminal. This is where you would attach the traveler wire for use with the GE add-on switch for 3- or 4-way control of your lighting. If you're not installing the switch in a 3- or 4-way installation, be sure to leave the insulation tape on the terminal. The first step to installing your switch is to shut the power to the circuit off at the circuit box or the fuse box. Now remove the wall plate. You can remove the mounting screws. Now carefully remove the switch, making sure you don't disconnect the wires in the process. You should see 3 terminals: line, load, and ground. At this point you should label all of those wires. Once labeled, you can carefully remove the wires from the device. If they're plugged into the back, just turn the device back and forth and they'll pop out. Now you're ready to install your new smart dimmer. Begin by putting the bare copper wire into the green terminal. Take the wire marked load and put it into the load terminal. Then take the wire marked line and put it in the line terminal. Make sure you push the wire all the way in so the bare copper wire is inside. With those 3 installed, now we need to install the neutral. Look into the back of the box for the bundle of white wires connected with the wire nut and take the wire nut off. Take a length of wire and add that to the wire nut. Then attach the other end of that white wire into the neutral terminal. Once all the wires are attached, make sure the dimmer is pointed up, and then carefully push the wires in. And then use the mounting screws. Now you can install the faceplate. Now you can restore the power so we can test the system. Live life smart with Z-Wave lighting controls from Jasco.